Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I'm really excited and I'm really glad to present this opportunity to you, family, because I know this will be a big help for anyone who decides to live, work, and play and invest in Kenya, Nairobi, or anywhere else in Kenya, family. You'll need this, family. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you about something that is very important that is happening on the 27th of September at the GTC. No, not at the GTC, but at the Diamond Trust headquarters in Nairobi, family. Diamond Trust Bank is a bank that's offer diaspora banking, family. And you guys know the challenges getting a bank account in a foreign country as a foreigner. You guys know the challenges and stuff. So we at Jam Tours Africa, we partner up with some the Pan-African Council, Val Real Estate, Reggae Africa Tour and Travels, and Brand Jam Reggae Bistro, family. So in this event, family, you'll be able to come and get your bank account as a foreigner in Kenya, family. So, this is very exciting news. Imagine you just come off of the plane and you can get a bank account to start your bank. Yeah, families, as I was saying to you, just imagine that, family. And I know if you traveled, you actually understand, how difficult it is to get a bank account. So I'm very happy that Diamond Trust could actually come up with a situation for diaspora people, because you know what is happening right now. Everybody want to run back to Africa. Everybody want to run back home. And, coming back home, you have to have a plan with your finances, because if you don't have a plan with your finances, it can be a big problem, family. You have to have option where you can actually invest your money. A lot of people outside of Nairobi, Kenya, living in overseas country, and they don't need a bank account. They can set up a nice fixed deposit. Interest rate is awesome. It's great. So on this day, family, you'll be able to come, eat Jamaican food, and sign up for a bank account. So if you're in Kenya, this event should not miss you, family. You should be at this event. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this video. This is actually put it on by the Pan-African Council. And our brother from the chairman of the Pan-African Council has been in Nairobi. Is actually his home. He actually bought an apartment and this is his home. And actually at this point I'm speaking, he's actually out in St. Lucia. He's very connected, as you can see, the type of person who will be actually attending this event. If you're into any form of big business and trying to make serious money moves in Kenya, then this is the event for you, family. We have partners. Jam Tours Africa will, as you know, I'm here pushing Africa to the world. African Equity Group, that is a group that actually provide financing, and all of these things you'll learn more about at this conference. That if you're looking to invest in Africa, there's so many people you can partner with, honest and trusted people. A lot of people come here and get scammed, and we don't want you to get scammed, family, and that's the reason why we're actually creating an ecosystem for you. So if you come in, you want to get the business registration, you want to get your work permit, you want to get all of these things set up, fast, efficient service. Sometimes when you go through the system, do it the right way, it costs you even more, because you find people who want to actually take money from you to do this and do that, and they don't deliver, family. So coming to this event is like a networking event, and in this time of the social media networking age, your network is your net worth. So you got to be at this event, family. If you're ever in Kenya, if you're flying into Kenya and you watch this, make sure you already organize a group. A lot of tour and travel companies actually in Kenya right now. As you can see, Nikki Z, Tour and Travel is here. She will be at the event to actually, provide us with some entertainment. It's gonna be full of Caribbean people coming back home, family. So I'm expect you to be there. If you haven't tried Jamaican food, a lot of people try Jamaican food once you're actually, once you're outside of the Caribbean. There's a lot of Jamaican food outside. But then if you come into Kenya, Brand Jam Reggae Bistro is the spot for Jamaican food, family. And if you need to get an apartment, our partner is Val Real Estate. They have so many luxury apartment over there in Kilimani, Kilileshwa, Lavington, Riverside, Westlands. All of these places is like the city in Nairobi, and it's so green and it's so nice. If you don't know, now you know. Go and watch my videos and you can see what I'm talking about, family. So if you need to get an apartment and you decide you're coming into Kenya, the next 2-3 years, them have off plan family. Never before you can get an apartment, an off-plan apartment. You can make your down payments every month, and 2 years, 3 years time come, your apartment is ready, waiting for you, family. Where on earth can you get something, an opportunity like this? You know what I mean? Where? Tell me where you can get an opportunity like this. If Kenya, Nairobi is not the right place for you. So if you've been sleeping on this, and your mind is telling you coming to Africa, make sure be in Africa in September and pull up at this event, because you know what I mean. A lot of us come into Africa, we try to do it ourselves. We try to run around, go there and get scammed. And you know what I mean, end up you have to go back to your country, family. So if you land into Kenya and you decide, cause the word is on the street. You know what I mean, a lot of people come to Africa and get scammed, and we want to eradicate those type of behavior, family. And that's the reason why Jam Tours is partnering up and try to connect with the smart people that have the connection, people that can pull strings, the people that have what it takes for you to be successful in Africa, family. So, you know what I mean? We are here, we are doing the work, and we want you to show up at this event. You know what I mean? There's limited seat available, family, and you can type that link on www.panafricancouncil.org, Nairobi 2024. Punch that in your Google. Go and register, family. Limited seat available. There's an early bird fee of only $59 US. You get lunch break, breakfast break, morning break. All of these things, food will be provided with that one cost. Early bird, family. Go and subscribe. Go and register, family. There's actually, you can pay via M-Pesa. You know what I mean? You can pay with your Visa, debit, credit card, whatever it is, family. Early bird until the 5th of September, family. Only $59 US. After that, you'll be able to pay $99 US, family. Information is the new currency, and if you don't have it, you will be broke. And you might end up lose your money, because, you know what I mean, you will be actually making bad decisions, investing in things that, you know what I mean, not going anywhere, family. So you have to be at this event. As you can see, you know, all of the consulate from the Caribbean will be here, the Jamaican consulate, the Barbados consulate, all of the embassies that is in Africa. You know what I mean, the Pan-African Council already sent their invitation, and they will be there, family, to provide all the information you need. You know what I mean? As I said, attorney will be there, so if you need to actually get anything deal with legally, a lot of people will be there, family, that you'll need to get connected with. People that Jam Tours actually, dealt with already and have proven their skills to deliver and the service that they offer, family. So I'm not here telling you, some duppy story. I'm telling you a real story, and I want you to pull up and show up at this event on the 27th at the Diamond Trust Bank. You know what I mean? You come, you get your bank account set up, you have your online thing, you have your fixed deposit, you can even invest in government bonds. You know what I mean? There's so much things. You want to get loans and stuff like that. It's available through Diamond Trust Bank, family. So, you know what I mean? This is the bank for Diaspora, and we want you to come, get registered, sign up, and get going, family. Jam Tours, One Love, Bless, Jamaica. I'm out. See you there on the 27th.